Everybody, my name is Miracle Eagle, a virtual assistant and team leader of the Diamond Labs Ambassador Program. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at how to sign up for a free Academy affiliate account and how to sign into your Academy affiliate dashboard. Okay, so um, most of us, most of us got this email. So if you applied for the position of a brand ambassador with the Diamond Lab, so you got this email. You got this email here. Okay, so the Diamond Lab offers you an opportunity to earn commissions on every product or service purchased via a unique link that is assigned to you. Now, you see this unique link when you register for your Academy affiliate account, and then on your dashboard, when you sign in, you see this unique link. So you're supposed to um, copy this unique link and paste on any social media platform you of your choice. Okay, so in this email you see that there are steps on how to do that, but then I'm just going to show you, so it's going to be very easy for you. That we have a link that takes us to the Academy affiliate account for a sign up. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so I guess many of us will have gone through our site, our Facebook page to know what we're about, what we do. The Diamond Lab is a small business development network that offers all of the tools and resources entrepreneurs need to start and grow their businesses. There's nothing quite like Diamond Lab anywhere, which is why this is a great opportunity for you to promote the Diamond Lab. Okay, so this is the sign up page. This is the sign up page. Okay, so I'm going to sign up. I'm going to sign up for the Academy affiliate account. So we'll see how it runs. Okay, so that's Miracle Eagle. Sorry. And then my email. I'm going to use my Yahoo mail. So says, sorry, so says at Yahoo mail.com. Then create a password. Okay, so I'll advise that you create a password that you can remember, not a very complicated password. Create a password that you can remember. Some places you will have to create a password with letters, with symbols, with numbers as well together. But for this account, you can just create a password that probably um like it's just names, letters rather, or numbers, any password of your choice. Okay, so my PayPal email will be the same email I used for my registration, because when I register for PayPal, I'm going to use the same email. You probably have not registered for PayPal, so when you register for PayPal, you use the same email. Now, some countries don't use PayPal, some countries use TransferWise. So when you register for TransferWise, you use the same email. Okay, so here we go. Miso says at yahoomail.com. Yahoomail.com. So there we have it. So then I click on register here. Okay, so while we're waiting for that to load very fast. I guess my network is really bad, so we're almost there. Okay, that's it. So we have, this is my dashboard. So we have personal links, we have unique links to every affiliate, to each and every one of us. Okay, so Airbnb startup essentials payment plan option. I have a unique link. It's unique to me. 3 easy ways to magnetize money to you. I have a unique link. Discover hypnosis. I have a unique link. Millionaire mindset monthly mastermind. I have a unique link. Okay, so what I do is just to copy my unique link and paste on any social media platform I want to market the Lab product or service. Okay, so um now we're done here. So sometimes you might have to sign out. Probably, okay, you're using a PC that's not yours, or you something happened and everything, you just have to sign out. Okay, so you sign out here. When you sign out and you want to log into your Academy Ambassador dashboard, you probably see this. You probably see this if it depends on how your page goes. So you probably see this, or you go back to the same email and then click on the sign in link. You click on the sign in link, all right? Then you come back to this page. That's it. Then you put your email. Yeah, so that's it. Okay. Oh, sorry. Then your password. Then you sign in. That's it. You're back to your dashboard. Okay, so I think that's easy, really easy. It's really easy. So it's not a very difficult thing to do. That's it. So you have your dashboard. You have your dashboard on Kajabi. You copy your links. You paste your links on any social media platforms. I see during this corona period, during this lockdown, during the quarantine period, TikTok has become one of the most visited sites. Okay, so you can advertise, you can market on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. If you know, you can market on WhatsApp, Twitter, anywhere. So that's it. Thank you. I hope this is very helpful. Thank you.